Hello, it's Danny Watkins with American Eagle Harley-Davidson. This week I got the used bike of the week. We got a dandy today. It's a 2015 Screaming Eagle CVO Ultra Limited. This comes in the three colors, black, gray, and teal. They call it carbon dust slate. This bike's fully equipped from the factory with heated grips, heated leather seat. Also, this bike's got full exhaust. It's got all LED lights front and rear and a lighted luggage rack. This bike only has 9,400 miles. It's got brand new tires, custom wheels, chrome. It's loaded from the factory. Please ask for Danny and we'll get you going on it. Thank you.